Hi, peace and light, everyone. This is Ten Nebula, and I am doing my series, The Shadows of the Spiritual Path. And in this video, I'm talking to you about too many excuses. You know, excuses can be in abundance when we're starting something. Excuses can stop us before we start. It can give us fears. It can make us paralyzed. And the truth is, we have to learn to clear those fears. That's what we're using our tools for, our metaphysics for. That's what we're using our daily spiritual practice for. We need to start. You know, we need to start on the spiritual path if we're called to it, and just be willing to take it one step at a time. We don't have to get everything healed and done in one night or one day or 1 month. It is a process. It does take a while, but we need to start and stop using excuses. Our family, our friends, our spouse won't allow us. We have kids, we don't have enough money, you know. And one of the things I love about the universe is that if something is your truth, you can always find a way to begin it now. The universe will provide a way that you can afford, or a way that suits your schedule, so you can initiate it and start it. Maybe it's the book, maybe it's being with a certain teacher, maybe it's a class or a training. So, you know, release the excuses that stops you from beginning your spiritual path. And, you know, be a warrior, you know, be a warrior of light. So I want to thank you guys for watching my video today. Feel free to check out all my other amazing works. Find me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. And you guys all stay blessed. Bye.